Are you tired of running ads and wasting money, but getting zero results? Yeah, I've seen that happen a lot, and that's exactly why I do what I do. I'm Abdul Halim, a paid ad specialist who turns ad budgets into real, measurable results. I work with Facebook, Instagram, Google, YouTube, TikTok, display ads, and PPC campaigns, and I know exactly what it takes to make each platform work for your business. My approach is simple: right audience, right message, right time, no guesswork. Just data driven strategy that actually converts. Whether you need more leads, more sales, or more visibility, I'll build a custom ad strategy that fits your goals perfectly. I'm easy to communicate with, deadline driven, and I treat every client's business like it's my own. When you win, I win. That's my promise. So if you're ready to stop wasting money and start seeing real results, let's talk. Hit that message button. I'm ready when you are.